Okay, good morning. This is Wednesday morning, the 6th of March. We're just looking at a few of the forex pairs, starting with the euro pound. The euro pound looking like it's going to break out this area here. Let's just get that on. Okay, through this area of resistance here, and could be setting up for a nice long. It's been a nice period of consolidation, or yeah, it's really been, looking to break out to the upside on the long side. So on the 30-minute time frame, it's looking good. Just look quickly at the next couple of high time frames. On the hour 4, you can see it's been in quite a consolidation since the middle of February, and yeah, no real direction for it at the moment. But on the 30 minutes, looking good, and not a lot of resistance until this first area at 0.86613. Okay, this is the euro yen. That's hourly. Okay, on the 30-minute euro yen, big resistance over here, so we're looking for any break above that for a long. And yeah, that looks like there's some space above it, so that's good. And we're looking for shorts anywhere below 121.134. US dollar JPY. On the 30 minutes, I wouldn't enter any long trades here before 93.698 or below 92.917. You just want to enter with a bit of space, and there's just too much mess in this chart when we could be trading other things. So let's go to the Aussie US dollar. Now this is interesting. So it has broken through this area of resistance. It's pulled back, retested the breakout, and is sort of hovering around that retest. Let's just see on the. That's what it looks like on the 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that's interesting. On the 4 hourly, there's a bit of this supply area here, and it has already tested that area, used some of that supply. So yeah, this is a possible long, but I'm not going to take it until it breaks through this area over here. This area at 1.03052. Okay, so I'm waiting for a break of that area over there before I look for any longs. Okay, this is the euro US dollar. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so we're looking for longs above this area here, which is 1.30742, and shorts below 1.30092. Let's take a look at some higher time frames on here. Okay, yeah, so if we have a break of this area, we've got quite a big run up, so about 68-70 pips before we hit our next supply area, and that's well enough for a good long trade. And yeah, so it's had a big drop, found this area of support, which has been areas of support before, and so I would expect it to at least have a little bounce. If you put on some Fibonacci's, the 23 will be another area of first area of resistance, and then the 38. So lots of space for a bounce, even if it is still in a downtrend. On the smaller time frames, we can still take advantage of the shorter term trends. Now, how to get rid of this fib? Okay. Let's look at the pound dollar on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, we're looking for longs on the 30-minute above here, and shorts below that area there. So longs above 1.51524 and shorts below 1.50909, and that'll give us the best risk parameters, 42 pips to the upside at least, and 81 pips to the downside. On the dailies, okay, could be ready for a pullback, and before it resumes maybe an uptrend, or maybe this is just a pullback in the downtrend that this has been experiencing for quite some time now. Since January, quite a long downtrend there, as you can see. Okay, so anything else that's interesting on the forex side? US dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, let's look at the 30 minutes. US dollar, Swiss franc, looking good to the downside at 0.93927. And I wouldn't be going long on this pair before 0.94626. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. The 30-minute time frame, it has broken through this area of resistance here, bounced off the number one resistance on the pivots, and so we're looking for a break above this area. If we can break that pivot with some strength, with some volume, then that's a possible long. Or I would look for a short below the pivot to the downside. US dollar JPY, okay, on the upside, looking for a long above 93.709, and shorts below 92.886. Although we could enter here, next area resistance 17 pips away. Look at it, looks like it has broken through the pivot with a bit of strength, so this is a possible short-term long, and if you manage this correctly, you can still come out with a profit, even if you do get stopped out by this area of resistance here. Well, you know, that has been an area of resistance, but it has been used as well, so possibly a long trade here on the 30-minute side. On the higher time frames, okay, good. So good area of consolidation. If it breaks to the upside, looks like it's clear air right up there, and it's been a long uptrend since 2012 November. Okay, have a great day trading.